Data is everywhere. Technology does not stop. A dramatic increase in speed at which data is transferred. The ability to successfully connect billions of devices simultaneously. But how is all this possible? NexGen Networks, a global provider of networking and communication solutions, tailored specifically for your organization. For decades, NexGen Networks has been actively developing network infrastructure, utilizing today's most advanced fiber optic cabling and vast subsea cable systems, along with securing connectivity and providing limitless bandwidth. With the ability to communicate being a must in today's ever-connected world, NexGen brings life to intelligent devices, optimizing digital infrastructure, connecting to the enterprise cloud, building the fabric of the internet, and carrying all types of online communication, from Ethernet, wavelength, SD-WAN, and more. NexGen Network customers are advancing communications, transforming healthcare, changing education, redefining banking, powering retail, and securing law firms. Our comprehensive portfolio of custom-engineered solutions delivers the unparalleled performance that customers deserve. We consider every point in a customer's journey, from contract to installation and support. NexGen Networks is always thinking to the future and is fueled by the global innovation that is creating the ever-changing world.